So how changing the little things can help fix the big things. So poor client retention, there are many things that could be causing this. Maybe you're not using the freshest adhesive, or you're not changing it often enough. Maybe you're not even rotating stock properly. You might have a backup adhesive, which I hope you all do, but you may not be rotating that back up. Are you using the right product combinations? So for me at LashJoy, I know that my primers have been tested with all of the adhesives that we sell. Not every single primer is identical. So I've used primers before that affect the retention so much that it can make all of the lashes slip off in a week, week and a half.